Free things you can take from a hotel room. Welcome to Hotel Secrets Unlocked, your ultimate guide to smart travel. We've all been there, that moment of temptation when you're packing up, eyeing those miniature bottles and wondering, can I really take this? The truth is, hotels expect you to take certain items. Today, we're revealing 22 free things you can take from a hotel room without a second thought. Get ready to discover the best hotel freebies that will not only improve your trip, but also give you some great souvenirs. 1. The essential takeaways. Let's start with the basics, the small amenities you find in the bathroom. These are the most common and almost always okay to take. Items like soap and lotion are designed for single use. The hotel isn't going to reuse a half-used bar of soap, so feel free to pack it. They're perfect for your guest bathroom or as a handy moisturizer on a long flight. Similarly, shampoo and conditioner are your personal freebies. Hotels intentionally brand these items with their logo. Think of it as a form of free, subtle marketing. When you use that hotel-branded shampoo at home, you're not just getting a cleanup, you're getting a memory of your trip. Plus, they're the perfect size to have on hand for future trips, saving you from packing large bottles. What about a toothbrush and toothpaste? These are often the first things we forget to pack. If you find a travel-sized set, it's yours. They are a welcome sight for any traveler in a pinch. And while we're on the subject of dental hygiene, some hotels even offer tiny bottles of mouthwash. It's a great freebie to freshen up on the go. Don't forget the shaving essentials. Hotels sometimes provide a small tube of shaving cream and a disposable razor. These are almost always free for the taking. Just a quick reminder, if you're flying, pack any aerosol shaving cream in your checked luggage to avoid issues with airport security. 2. The unexpected and utilitarian freebies. Beyond the bathroom, hotels stock up on other useful items. A sewing kit is a lifesaver for any traveler. These tiny kits are difficult to find in stores and can fix a wardrobe malfunction in seconds. They're a classic hotel freebie you should always grab. Another unexpected item is the shoeshine kit. High-end hotels often leave these in the room to ensure you look your best for an important meeting or event. Don't hesitate to take it. It's perfect for keeping your footwear in top condition. For savvy packers, the humble shower cap is a secret weapon. It's not just for keeping your hair dry, it's a genius travel hack. Use it to wrap your shoes and prevent the dirty soles from touching your clean clothes in your suitcase. You can even use it to store wet bathing suits. Many travelers also take the plastic bags often provided for laundry, which are excellent for keeping dirty clothes separate from clean ones. Some hotels even provide a hairbrush or comb for guests. These items are designed for single use, so they're yours to keep. However, leave the hairdryer or straightener behind. Those are expensive, reusable items that will be charged to your bill if you try to accidentally pack them. 3. The branded goodies and what to ask for. Hotels love to give away free advertising. That's why you can almost always take the stationery, including pens, notepads, and envelopes. They're a useful souvenir from your trip. The same goes for magazines and newspapers in your room or the lobby. As long as they don't have a specific return sticker, they're meant for you to read and take. Many rooms include a coffee maker with complimentary coffee, tea, and sugar packets. These are all fair game. Feel free to stock up for your morning coffee at home or on the road. Just be sure to check that the items aren't part of the minibar, which is a common mistake. Now for some items that are a bit more unusual. If your room has a rubber ducky in the tub, it's often a souvenir, especially in family-friendly hotels. Don't leave your new friend behind. The same applies to slippers. Since they're not reused, they're yours to take. They're a fantastic freebie, particularly for a long flight where you want to kick off your shoes and be comfortable. And finally, you can grab the Do Not Disturb sign and your magnetic key card. The sign is a funny keepsake, and the key card is deactivated upon checkout, so there's no harm in keeping it as a souvenir. 4. The off-limits and the gray areas. While most of the items on our list are safe to take, be aware of what is definitely off-limits. Items like towels, bathrobes, Hangers, pillows, and bedding are expensive and will be charged to your card if they go missing. The same goes for anything that is considered furniture or a fixture, such as artwork, lamps, or alarm clocks. When in doubt, it's best to leave it behind. One final pro tip. If you see something you really like a branded coffee mug or a special amenity, just ask the front desk. Many times, they will either let you have it or tell you where you can buy it. This small gesture can save you from an awkward conversation and a potential charge on your bill. What's your favorite free item to take from a hotel room? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Hotel Secrets Unlocked for more incredible travel hacks and hotel tips.